Ever wondered why the quality of carbon black pellets is so crucial in industries ranging from rubber manufacturing to ink production? The key lies in a standard test method known as ASTM D1508. This method is designed to determine the fines and attrition of pelleted carbon black, which play a significant role in its overall performance. The fines content of carbon black, for instance, is related to its bulk, flowability, dustiness, and in some cases, level of dispersion. These factors can greatly influence how the carbon black behaves during handling and how well it disperses in a product. Similarly, attrition, or the degradation of pellets in handling or transit, can also be assessed using this method. This provides a useful indication of pellet stability and the amount of fines that may be created during transportation and handling. Understanding ASTM D1508 is essential for anyone dealing with carbon black pellets, as it provides valuable insights into their quality and potential performance. But why is ASTM D1508 so important for industries using carbon black, you may ask? Well, let's dive into that. The fines content of carbon black, as outlined in Method A of ASTM D1508, has a significant impact on its bulk, flowability, and dustiness. This in turn can affect how well the carbon black disperses in various applications, but that's not all. By comparing the percentage of fines and attrition, as explained in Method B, we can get a glimpse into the pellet's stability. It's like a sneak peek into the future, giving us an idea of how much fines might be produced through pellet degradation during handling or transit. This knowledge helps industries make informed decisions and optimize their processes. So, next time you come across carbon black pellets, remember it's ASTM D1508 that ensures they meet the necessary quality standards for optimal performance.